I'm sorry late for you. Yeah.
No, you're not late.
I'm not late. Thank you. Yeah. Nice to meet you, Cindy.
Nice to meet you too, Nadia. How are you today?
Uh, Today doing good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Everything is fine. Yeah.
Oh, that's good to hear. That's very good to hear. Is your name Hans?
Yes. Please say
All
me
right.
Hans. Yeah.
Please call me Hans.
Yeah. Please call me Hans.
All right. Very good. No problem. Nice to meet you, Hans. Where are you from, my dear?
Yeah. I'm from South Korea and living
Oh,
here too. Yeah.
lovely. Okay. Which city?
Here very rural place. Yeah. Here in Gure County. Yeah. Very close to
Gore
the
County. Oh,
riverside.
wow.
Yeah.
Can
I
you
want to
please
show
type
you.
the name for me? Oh, wow.
Yeah. Yeah. Very
Wow, this is
beautiful
very
place.
different to me. Yeah, it's very different to my typical student from South Korea. They normally
Yeah.
in their very high-rise apartments. Oh, wow.
Here a
You
big
have quite the
cafe.
place.
Yeah. I choose this place for my lesson.
Okay, very nice. Do you
yeah,
live close to this area?
yeah, actually here not my hometown, but
Okay.
sometimes I visit here. Yeah, I want to type
Okay.
here. Yeah, Gunmin is Gunmin is county. Yeah,
Okay.
uh, in
Uregun.
South Korea. Yeah, Guregun,
Wow.
Jeollanam Province in
This is
South
so
Korea. Yeah.
beautiful.
hmm
This is very country vibe, that's for sure.
Yeah. hmm
Wow, 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 wow. Wow. No wonder you went there. It's gorgeous.
hmm I
Stunning.
was
You're very
grow up
blessed.
here. Yeah, I was
I
grow up
grew
here.
up.
Yeah,
I grew up.
I grew up here.
Okay.
I lived here until the 22. Yeah, 22
Oh,
years
right.
old.
Until you're
Yeah.
22. Sure. And
Mhm.
how old are you now, may I ask?
Yeah, I'm now 47. Yeah,
47?
40.
You look much
Yeah,
younger than 47. I thought maybe
yeah,
like 39, but 47. Wow, okay. You look
yeah.
pretty tall too. Are you very tall?
Not tall. I'm just a regular size of my tall.
Regular height.
yeah, regular
Okay.
height. Yeah, about
Okay, I see.
175 centimeter.
That's tall.
That it is tall.
That's tall. I'm
My friend.
1.69 and I'm pretty
Yeah,
tall.
yeah. Actually, my friend is much more tall than me. I'm a small one here.
Oh, right. Jeez. No,
yeah.
no, you're tall, my dear. You're very tall. I am 1.69 and I'm relatively tall for a girl my age and
hmm
my height and so on. But 175 is like it's quite a bit taller than me. Yeah, you're over
Just,
here for me.
just like this.
No, you're more. Well, maybe no, 175. You're just a little bit more than me, yeah, because I'm like 1.7 ish. Okay, still pretty tall. You're still pretty tall. Yeah, okay.
yeah, thank
And
you.
when is
Yeah.
your birthday?
My birthday?
Mm-hmm.
Certain question. Yeah. I'm birthday when the People's Day in October. Yeah.
I was born on the 5th of October.
Yeah.
Stay with me. I was born
Yeah, I was born 5th
on
October. Yeah.
on the 5th of October.
On October.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. On the 5th of October. Because
Yeah.
it'll be
Ah,
on the day, but in the month.
you tried to the correct answering for me.
Of course. Isn't that the goal here to help you speak better English, right?
But I don't care actually. Yeah.
Oh, really? You're not too worried about being corrected?
Yeah, because I'm not a good person for memorizing some things.
Oh, well, I mean, I constantly correct. So eventually you will start to
hmm
do it naturally. So if
hmm
I always correct you and you make the corrections as we go, then eventually those corrections will become permanent with you. And you will stop saying it the wrong way and start saying it the right way. If you don't
Yeah.
want me to give you as many corrections, I'm not worried about that either. It's fine. It's less work for me. But if you want to improve, you'll have to make my corrections as we go. And it's okay if you don't remember the corrections. I will still correct you every time.
Yeah.
It won't bother me.
You know that if I keep thinking about keep worrying about the corrections
Yeah.
speeches,
No,
then
I don't want you to worry about it.
then I should pay about the say speaking English.
No. I don't want you to feel discouraged or like, oh no, now I need to worry about how to say it. I want you to speak naturally. Be as natural as you are. Just when I speak to you or when I correct you, make those corrections just for good faith or for good practice. And then we
Yeah,
just continue, you know. There's
yeah.
really no pressure from my side, my dear. I am very relaxed. So do not
Thank
stress.
you.
I'm not going to pressure you
Thank you.
every day. That's okay.
But you
But
know
I
that
do have some things
I
I
wanna,
can do
I
with
wanna,
you.
I wanna tell something about the
Mm-hmm.
Koreans English learner. Yeah,
Mm,
most Koreans English learner they don't want to speak English
sure.
because they just only say about the perfect sentence for
Mm,
opposite speaker. Yeah,
for
that
sure.
yeah, but that is make happen about the close their mouth.
Yeah, it's difficult for them to express themselves because they want to say
Yeah,
everything so perfectly. I know my
yeah.
students try really, really hard, but it's because most of them are writing tests and stuff that require them to speak perfectly. So older
I
students, they're not too worried.
Yeah, but yeah, like me, not worry. Yeah,
Yeah.
but but you know that yeah, every Korean people about
Person.
students they just try to the exam of the English as paper exams only. But you
Yeah.
know that exams papers only request about the correct answering in the
Yeah,
papers.
exactly. It's easy
Yeah,
to, answer correctly on paper, but to
yeah,
verbally do it is a different ball game.
yeah. That is enforcing the students uh, emphasizing some things about when they want to say speaking, but that around the exams keep pushing, make them speak
Yeah,
correction.
of course, exactly. Yeah.
But
And there's not enough oral examinations or oral practice given to the students at school. Right all the way to university, they don't have enough oral practice. They just have
uh,
theory, grammar, grammar. And
yeah.
when I
That
ask a
is a
student what's a preposition, huh? They don't know, you know, but they know
yeah.
how to write it.
Yeah. But
Mm,
I well known about the preparation. Yeah.
mm.
That preparation is a very convenient tool for speaking
Of course.
continuously. Yeah.
Yeah. And also speaking correctly, using the correct preposition can at least give your listener the clear indication of what you want to say. You know, because
Yeah.
sometimes if you use incorrect preposition, you sound a bit skewed. What is he saying? You understand? So it's best to know these kind of little tricks and things that are going on. Grammar is obviously difficult, but with practice comes perfection. So,
Yeah.
yeah. If you
Um,
ever want to do a
I
preposition
actually,
lesson, just let me know. I've
yeah,
got a ton
I
of
made
stuff.
I made something about the lesson book for the preparation for my learner. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
actually,
From when you were a
I'm a
student
I made the actually last month and at the July I
in
opened
July.
my in July I opened about the English Academy here.
Okay,
Mm.
you opened the
Yeah,
English Academy?
yeah.
Oh, that's so
Uh,
nice.
you know that my academy's main content is teaching the preposition correctly. Yeah,
Yes, that's
yeah,
amazing. That is so
yeah.
good. Yeah,
Hmm.
it's it's vital to have the
Yeah,
preposition done correctly and tenses as well. I cannot, say this enough. Tenses are very important, especially past and how to use the simple past and the past participle tense,
mm.
like go, went, gone. How to use all three of those verbs in their
Go and
correct.
go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
English is so fun and it's so
Yeah,
easy.
yeah,
It's
that's
not.
right. Yeah,
It's
I
crazy
totally
difficult.
agree.
Mm.
because I since the learning is when I was 38. Yeah,
Oh,
when I was
really?
30. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, wow. So, okay, so you
At the time,
started quite late.
yeah, quite late.
Oh, that's all right.
And at the time, I don't know any English
Uh,
words. I
yeah,
just barely know a few English words, but I couldn't
exactly.
read about, couldn't understand the sentences.
I get you.
Ju-
Yeah. It
yeah,
takes some time to develop,
yeah,
enough vocabulary to put words together and then go, okay, that's what this means. And now you can't just say it like it is. You have to say it in the correct time zone. Like, that's when it all gets messed up. You think you know something and now you have to learn three different ways to say it. Why? It's a bit
yeah. I'm
messy.
just a geek. Yeah, I was give up the learning English myself because I don't want to
Sure.
waste my energy for not
Exactly.
understandable things.
Yeah,
At the
yeah, I
time. Yeah,
understand completely. Yeah, in the
yeah,
beginning, it can be so difficult because now you have to learn new aspects of something you already know. And then English hits you with exceptions. Even though we have grammar rules, there are always exceptions. And that bothers me so much as a teacher because why are there rules and exceptions? Rules are rules, there are no
yeah, yeah,
exceptions to
yeah,
rules.
yeah. Actually, when I since the speaking English like a baby at the 38, like the 3 years old, 4 years old
Oh,
baby, like
sweet.
even
I remember
even
those
I.
days.
But I'm keep improving my speaking abilities myself.
Yeah, yeah.
Grammar's just followed my
Hmm.
impro- improving English. Yeah,
Mm.
I
Yeah,
don't try to the hard attaching about that.
I got you. That's why I say you
Yeah,
don't have to rack your brain and be pressured by me to like study these things or do those things. Just when I make your corrections, then just repeat the corrections and move on.
yeah, yeah,
And then
that's right.
eventually those corrections will solidify. It's the same thing with my boyfriend. When I met him 3 years ago, he couldn't speak a lick of English. Nothing.
Mm,
Couldn't
mm,
even tell me the numbers if I asked. Nothing.
mm,
Now
mm.
he speaks too much. Every day it's just I should have never taught him
Your
English.
boyfriend, yeah, your boyfriend, probably your little bird.
Oh my goodness, all the time. Because he hears me speaking all the time and he speaks to
Yeah,
me all the time. And it's constant, constant, constant. And I'm always correcting him and he tries to correct himself. And now eventually he speaks too much English now. So much
yeah,
so that he has a
yeah,
goal to become an English teacher. three
yeah.
years ago, he couldn't speak a
Well,
word.
where from him? Yeah,
Where is he from?
yeah. Where is he from? Yeah.
He's from Spain.
Spanish. I
Yes,
see.
he's a
Yeah.
Spanish guy.
But
Well,
he
if
learned
not
English
Spain,
from
Spain.
you. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Our first 3 months together, we were just
Yeah.
doing Google Translate. Google Translate.
Oh
I promise you,
wow!
it was
Unbelievable.
difficult. Yeah, we fell in love through Google Translate. So thanks, Google.
Yeah, Google help you and
Yeah,
your
even though the
boyfriend.
translations were bad. Oh my God, the translations were so bad. Sometimes we would
Yeah.
look at the word like, what? So then we would have to speak baby language. So I would have to
Yeah,
speak
yeah,
baby English to my
yeah,
phone to explain it
yeah.
in baby Spanish to him, and vice
Mm.
versa. What a headache. But yeah, no more. We don't need it anymore. We're
Yeah,
fine.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Google
he can
fine.
speak English and I can speak a little bit of Spanish. Un piquito.
Yeah, if Google translations having the perfect translate that,
Yeah.
your relation should fail.
Probably. Yeah. Yeah. We
Probably.
would have started fighting a long time ago, I think.